Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find Google's hidden games. Make sure to stick around until the end to discover all the fun and quirky games you can play right from your browser. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about iconic Chrome Dino game. Ever been offline and seen a little dinosaur pop up on your Chrome browser? That is no ordinary dinosaur, it is the start of a classic endless runner game. To play this, just disconnect from the internet, or you can simply type in chrome.dino in your browser's address bar, and the games begin as soon as you hit the space bar. Next up, let's talk about something you have probably seen on Google's homepage, the Google Doodles. These are those fun, creative logos that Google uses to celebrate holidays, anniversaries, and the lives of famous people or historic events. But here's a cool secret, many of these doodles are actually interactive games. Now to play these interactive games, click on this format, and from the drop-down menu, click on Interactive Game, and once it is selected, click on Search. Google has turned all the special moments into mini games that you can enjoy right on your homepage. On this doodles.google's website, you will find a collection of doodles organized by date. You can scroll through these doodles and click on any that interests you if it's an interactive doodle, and you can play these interactive Google games right here. These doodles cover a wide range of themes, from Olympic sports to musical experiences. Here, each game offers a unique and fun experience. It's like taking a journey through history, culture, and creativity. Last but definitely not least, let's explore something a bit more offbeat, which is Elgoog. Elgoog is a mirrored version of Google, with all sorts of quirky, fun twists include hidden games. To access Elgoog, just type in elgoog.im. It's a playful site where everything is reversed, a mirror image of Google. But more importantly, it is packed with cool games and Easter eggs. You will find all the classic games. There's also a version of Breakout game where Google images transform into the blocks for you to smash. And if you're a fan of old Pac-Man doodle, and Google has a version of that as well. Here you can see this. Now this is a fun and alternative way to experience Google's playful site, offering a collection of games and features that will keep you entertained for hours. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.